All right. Here in this pan, I have lettuce, already diced lettuce, and I have diced tomatoes. I have cucumber here, and I have already boiled fried shrimps. I fried it with how to fry chips is just very simple. You have to heat the oil on the pan, on the fry pan, then you add some diced garlic. Then after that you can add your shrimps and just allow it to come to um, turn to brown color. Then you can just take it away and it's ready to use. Then here is my uh, red onion diced, and here it's a sauce I prepared that I'm going to mix. It's actually um, olive oil mixed with black pepper and salt. Yeah, that's what I'm going to use in garnishing. Then this is avocado. Sorry, here I have some, but I've already removed. You can just manage it, or maybe you can just throw it away. But I've already removed the side that it's not too good. And here is my cheese. Yeah, cheese that I'm going to use as well. So let's begin the process already. All you have to do is to you add your diced tomatoes into the pan with lettuce, add it together, then you add your um, cucumber, then you add your shrimps first, add your shrimps, yeah, then you add your diced onions. Okay, now I'm going to just scoop the avocado out of the shell, then add it together. Just okay, this is it. I've already um tried to add in my avocado. Now I'm going to just slowly turn it, mix it, mix everything all together. So as you can see now, it's already mixed. So I'm just gonna add my um, grated cheese. I grated cheese and add my sauce. After adding my cheese, I will add the sauce here. Um, then we are good to go. As you can see now, I use this what is it called, grater, to grate my cheese, and it gives me this. So I'm gonna mix them together as well. Ooh. Sarap. That means delicious. Okay, now I'm going to add my mixture. I'm going to stir it to really mix very well. Like I said, it's olive oil and with sea salt and black pepper. So I'm just going to stir this to really have a mixture of what I combine together. Then we'll add it together, like sprinkle it all around. That's it, and you continue mixing to have that texture and creamy feel. And that is it. We just served. If it's the cheese is not enough, you can as well make it to your own taste. I mean, add more cheese in order to give more taste or more salty taste and stuff like that. So basically, this is the way of making salad and avocado and shrimp salad. It's quite simple. You can just make it at home anytime you're free. I mean, it's also very healthy because you have a lot of vitamins here, and you have a lot of fiber, and yeah, and that's just it. I hope you now know, or I hope you will try this at home. Thank you very much for staying with me, and looking forward to making another video again for you guys. So just thumbs up if you like my video and subscribe for more video. Thank you very much once again. My name is Peace Francis, and this is it. This is me signing out. Thank you. Bye. Ciao.